Hello internet. So today's video is a DIYary video and I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY Minion inspired explosion box. So I have this ivory sheet, yellow ivory sheet on which I am drawing the layout for my explosion box. I will be drawing 4 squares of 8 into 8 centimeters each, sticked together to each other side by side, so that after cutting them we get a box shape. The first box is the first flap and the 2 side flaps and the fourth flap, and in between that is the base of the box. I'm cutting down my layout. I am folding on the lines to have a crease so that all the 4 flaps fold in a box and it look like a box. I have this blue A4 size sheet on which I will be drawing clothes for my minions. I will be showing 4 minions on each face of the explosion box. So in total we will have 4 faces, so therefore we will have 4 minions. So I will be drawing 4 pants for my 4 minions. I'm tracing out the other 3 pants and I will be cutting them soon. And here I have cut down all the 4 pants. Now for the eyes, I am drawing these 4 thin strips. These are going to be those, specks which have on minions. I'm drawing 8 black circles for the eyes of the 4 minions. This circle is going to be the lowermost layer of my eyes. And then I'm gonna have 8 white circles, which is gonna be smaller than these black circles, and this white layer is going to be the middlemost layer of my eyes. And then I have 8 very small tiny circles. These are going to be the topmost layer of the eye. And now I have cut all the accessories for the minions and I am pasting them on the 4 faces of the explosion box. These are the pants, and then I have these black strips to be pasted on the top of where I'm going to paste the eyes. And I'm cutting down all the extra portions. And now let's go for the eyes. So I have the lowermost layer as black eyes. I'm pasting first all the black eyes. And then the second layer of white eyes. You can take any size according to your measurements and according to your size of the explosion box. Then I have the third layer, which is of the smallest black eyes. I'm gonna link down all the supplies which I have used in this video in the description box below. So make sure to check the description box for the supplies and also for the dimensions of the box. I'm just making these pants look more beautiful. Now I have again taken out my yellow ivory sheet and I'm drawing a square of 8.5 into 8.5 centimeters plus half centimeters more. So in total 9 into 9 centimeters and this is gonna be the lid of my explosion box. And I'm pasting the corners to have a that lid type thing for my explosion box. I decided to give a pocket on the lid of the box, and here I'm take out my blue sheet and I'm just folding the paper so that it comes out to be a pocket, a 3D pocket. I'm just decorating the pocket with some dotted blue lines and some random shapes. You can decorate it any way you want. So I thought of making another layer for my explosion box. So here the base is of the same, that is 8 into 8 centimeters, but the 4 flaps are of 7 into 7 centimeters each. I'm cutting down my second layer for the explosion box. I thought of giving this layer a different shape, so I have cut all the 4 flaps in different shapes to differentiate them from the first layer. And I'm folding them to have a perfect crease. And I thought of having a third layer also of just 2 flaps, that is white. Fitting that white to the size of the second layer. I'm bordering all the corners to have a beautiful look, to give it more pop-up effect, I guess. You can decorate these flaps in any way you want to match your, if it is birthday, so to match your birthday. Here I have taken a scrapbook paper and 2 small wooden sticks. These are going to be poles. I got these from a local craft shop, and I have this quill cupcake which I made a long time back, and I thought of using it right now. I will be pasting these 2 little sticks at the behind of the cupcake, and on these thick sticks there will be a thread hanging 4 flags. I have written 16th on the flag. You can write according to your convenience. Anything you can write on the flags. I'm just joining the 2 poles with a thread, and then I'm pasting the 4 flags on the thread. And now I'm pasting the 2 poles behind my cupcake, and make sure that the 2 sticks are fixed properly. So use a good amount of Fevicol to fix them on the sheet. So here's my cupcake and the poles. I am drawing a tag for my pocket which I drew on the lid, and I found a googly eye in my craft box, and I thought of using it for the tag. And a little small minion face has been ready on the tag, and now I thought to border the lid also to again give a pop-up effect. So here's my final explosion box. I hope you like it, and you can decorate it in any way you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.